Good afternoon. Today, I got my little helper, Alexandra, and we're doing French toast, one of her favorites, right?
Eat the helpers.
We're going to get right into it because we want to eat French toast, right? No?
Egg porridge.
Yeah, okay.
Egg
Tell
porridge.
them good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, say good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name is my name is Alexandra.
I'll crack the egg, right? Like this, look. Just like that.
Help me.
Come on. Pull it apart from the bottom. There we go. Put that in there.
That's in the cake.
Mm-hmm. Now let's wash our hands. Okay? Especially chicken.
Sorry.
That's okay. Put some of this in there. This is cinnamon. Yeah, just give it a good thing. That's about a tablespoon. Okay?
Mix it.
Yeah, you can mix it a little bit, but let Daddy finish it, okay? Yeah. Oh, too wild. Just a little bit, okay? Right? Yeah, here. Let me hold your hand. Yeah. French toast. And now we're going to add the heavy cream. Here. Here, you do it. Let me have this and you do that. Add that in there. There we go.
There we go.
Now let me stir it up. Fun part's coming up.
Ice cream.
It's not ice cream. It's
It's
cinnamon, milk, or heavy cream, and egg.
Okay, it's so good. Mix. French toast.
Careful, baby.
Yeah, French toast. Slowly.
Yes, slowly.
That's faster.
Mm-hmm. Now look, watch me first. Watch me do it first, okay? I'm gonna put it in like that, turn it over really quick, and then put it over here. Okay, can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, try. Now pick it up. You know what? Let's just do this the old fashioned way. Just pick it up with your fingers, okay? See, that's soaked too long. Okay, here.
Okay, let's do it.
Mm-hmm. Turn it over. Turn it over. All right, pick it up. And put it there. Good. Here, until it up. Don't wipe your hands on your clothes though. Turn it over. Quickly. All right, pick it up.
Oh,
Got that.
okay.
And let me do
Let's
one.
try
Let me do
more.
one.
Let's try more.
And you do the last one. There you go. Yeah. You're a pro. You know that?
Yay!
No, that's why wash your hands. Honey, you can't wipe you can't wipe your hands on your clothes, okay? It's just not proper. Now take one of these, right? Like this. You're gonna put it like that. Here, you try. Let's see. Good job. Do that, like that. Do another one. One more. Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh, what happened? What is up?
There we go. All right.
Alright. Let's put it on the way.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry about my head.
Oh, it's okay, babe. It wasn't your fault. It was Daddy's fault.
I'm crying.
Yeah, I noticed, man. You okay? It's probably more startled than anything. I know that kind of stung for a second. Mm-hmm. So when anything happens to you,
Yeah.
it's not supposed to happen to you.
Aww.
There you go.
Yeah, that is funny.
It was. It was fun too, wasn't it?
Like the French toast and the
I can't wait. I don't know about you.
I can't wait.
We gotta put them on here, okay? You got it? Okay. get your hands so close to the thing. All right. Put a little bit more butter.
On this one. These candies are so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cheese. 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 Good. Brown hash brown.
These are pieces of bacon.
Yankee cheeses plus and cheeses.
Amen. How is it? How is it? Okay. All right. Well, that took a long time. So let me think about this.
It tastes so bad.
Well, let me thank you for helping me cook.
Daddy.
You're welcome.
Bologna.